Yeah. Okay, team, we will start the session. Already 5 minutes. We have given the time. So today we want to load new object called a position. Okay. We want to load a new object called position. Position is a little bit tricky one. What position is? Position is a combination of, what is a combination of, what is position? Organization. So here the position, we have given the first one instruction merge in capital letters. Position is an object. This is the source system owner. Okay, I'm creating in a new environment, ETAJ. Okay, it's completely a new environment. I'm creating a new environment, ETAJ, FPT underscore SS4. Okay, I have created a source system owner lookup code. This is a source system ID. So FPT position 001. Effective start date. Okay. I want to create the name of the job. Okay, I want to change the name of the job. So going to here. The position is what is exactly the position? Position is an instance of job, right?
Yes.
Is an instance of a job. Okay, first of all, what we have to load? We have to load the job, and then only we have to load the position. So this is the administrative director is the job, and the same thing is a position, because position is an instance of a job. I'll create a job family code manually. HS underscore hospital. This is a job family code I have created manually. I'm giving this job family code while creating the job. So I have created the one particular job, administrative director, in this job family. Okay. The same thing I'm giving in the position. So position is tightly coupled for which enterprise structure?
Workforce structure.
Business unit.
Oh, business unit. Yeah, under workforce
Tightly
structure.
coupled with a business unit.
Business.
So already we are having US1 business unit. Right? This is a seeded data, right? Yes. Business unit is a seeded data or no? Seeded 3. So it is seeded data. So I'm associating this particular position to this business unit. Okay, status is active. And now department. Department is another workforce structure, right? Department means organization. Department means organization. Okay. I'm creating. Okay, what is the position? The position. Right. Pharmacy department, right? Administrative director. Okay. I want to create, I don't want to use pharmacy here. I want to use this admin department. Okay. Admin department. Okay. So this I am taking from which DAT file? Organization is department DAT file. Okay. So while creating position, we need to be very careful. We have to take the data. So while creating a position manually, what we will do? We will select the data from existing one, right? Whether it is a business unit, whether it is a location, department, job, already existing data should be there, right? Yes. Data we will go through manually also. Okay, admin department. So what is a department source system ID? FPT department 001. We need to remember this one. Get this one also. We are printing 1951. So 1951 department. Department name is admin department. Okay. Department name is admin department. Okay. So we are done with job. Okay. We are done with the job and the department. So we are going to see what is the grade.
Great.
Okay. Grade is a director grade. Okay. Director grade. That's okay. Metadata, grade, source system owner is FPTSS4. Source system ID is CHS DR. Grade code 5. Grade set code is common. Grade name, director, effective start date. Active status, yeah. So we are done with grade. Now location. So FPT, location SSO, location 001, comma. CHS NYMC, North Okaloosa Medical Center. A. Oh, this is the address line 1. Okaloosa, Florida. This is the content. Okay. So now we are having all the data ready. So grade, job, location, and organization. So now the position. We need to create the position properly. So department, we have created admin department. So what is the job code? What is the job code? So what is the job code here?
Direct.
Set code, job code is
CHS
CHS AD.
80.
CHS AD. Okay. Please remember job code and job ID both are different. This is one of the critical thing you need to remember. Job code we have taken here. Job code is, see, set code is common after the job code. CHS AD. And then job ID is very much important. Job ID means source system ID. It's what? Okay, job ID means source system ID. This one. CHS 001. Okay. CHS 001. And then department ID. So what is the department ID? This is the department ID. Means so organization ID or department ID both are same. This is the department ID. Okay. And then location code. What is the location code? This is the location code. This is the location.
Just
Is a location code. And hiring status. Hiring status we need to give as approved. Position type. So none. This is one of the fields in that position while creating the position. Full-time equivalent 1. Headcount 1. Full-time or part-time? Full-time. Working hours 40. Frequency weekly 40 hours. Okay. We have created all. Let us see. And one more thing I told you, right? I will give you one document for HDL. And this is the document. I think it's having everything. HDL is one of the biggest subject. See, what you have to say is like it's having in everything. Okay. It will interact with each and every product. It will interact with each and every product. Okay. This is the document. I'll share it in the WhatsApp groups. Yeah, what I want to convey here is even if you don't understand HDL or if you're facing a lot of issues with HDL, don't get demotivated. Okay. It will take time. That's why I'm asking everyone to join the technical classes and do the practice. Every day, please practice at least half an hour on technical side. This is not that easy. Just by seeing, maybe it looks very easy, but while I'm doing for you, it looks very easy. But while you're preparing the data, it's very tough. You need lot of practice actually. Okay. So I forwarded you for all the groups. You just download it and go through this documentation. Just there's another document is also there. No, we got it right. Okay. Both are same. It's 25 HCM data loading business objects. It's in data loading business. So both are A and B only. So this is the latest one. B is the latest one. Okay. I'll share the both. See, so we have already done a loading of jobs, grades, locations, and position. Sorry, organizations. So again, we will do, and we will see if any errors are there. And then if any errors are there, we will correct that particular file, and then we will use, and finally, we will change that position also, and then we will create a dat file. We will create a zip file. So before that, don't create the zip file. So all four should create or should load properly. Any error, just we have to update, we have to correct that one, and we have to load again, and we have to change the same thing in the position also, because the position is dependent upon location, job, organization, and grade. Because if you are giving any grade, we can update the grade also, because I'm not giving any grade here. What I'll do, because
If there is any correction that can be made before converting it to zip.
very good.
Sir, at once, can't we upload all the files, like all zip files?
Yeah, we can create that one. That is called as a complex file. We will see in future.
Oh, okay.
Means we can create all as one zip file.
Okay.
Instead of creating four zip files, all that dat files we will create as a one zip file, and we can load all at a time. We don't have to create multiple zip files. We will create only one zip file and we will load it. Because whatever the zip file inside that is independent dat files, right? So system will take that. It's like zip means what? Independent.
It's a combination of 2, 3, 4. Yeah, more.
It's like suppose you are going outside some trip. So what we will do? We will carry our clothes in a suitcase. A suitcase is like a zip file. So inside you will have all your clothes, right?
Okay.
Same thing here. We can keep all whatever you need inside one zip file, and you can load it. System just it will unzip, and it will take that files and it will load into the system. So zip is just the form. It's a process. Something wrong with the locations. Okay, something wrong with the locations.
File extension name they are saying.
Yeah.
Maybe.
So grade passed, job passed, organization load completed, and going to wait for it is loaded account. Organization also passed. You see here load 100%. So all three passed except location. So now what I have to do? I have to go back. What is the mistake I did in location? Just delete this file and just check what is the mistake I did it in location. Just check, verify whether this file is proper or not. Properties. It is dot capital DAT. Okay. What I'll do is I'll open this file in Notepad. Metadata, location, security, FPT source, FPT location, common.
So effective date we were putting only 1951 or we were putting only complete 0101.
1951, this format.
Okay.
What I'll do is I'll save a copy as use small letter. DAT small. Okay, location dot dat. Okay. For that, just delete that existing file. I've created one dat file. I've created a zip file here, location.zip file. Delete this.
Sorry, sir, I missed what changes you have done.
I've deleted that file. I've created a new file as .dat file.
Okay.
I've checked any changes are there.
Hmm.
No changes, just I've done as only the format.
Okay.
Okay. So initially that import got loaded. Import got succeeded. Means there is no syntax errors. Okay. All four got successfully loaded. Okay. Job, grade, organization, and location. Okay. Now what we will do is we will create the position dot zip file. Okay. Before creating that one, just again we will cross check whatever the data we have created is correct or not. Okay.
So there is no order, right, for location, job, organization.
Sorry, there is no.
Means order. We need to follow any order or not required.
So this particular 4, what are this job, grade, organization, location, there is no order. But to create the position, first of all, you have to create all 4 and then only you have to create the position. Because we are using this data, right?
Okay.
You need to enter a valid value for the attributes. Okay. So it is asking some error. Location ID is missing. So the location ID is missing, it is saying. So we have not given the particular attribute called location ID. Okay, we have given job ID, we have given what you call job ID, and then department ID we have given. We have not given the location ID. Okay, just we have given the location. So how to give the location ID? How to give the location ID?
Manage location.
Go to manage locations.
No, you will not get any location IDs there. That's what you have to understand the subject. Location code you will get. Location ID. This is the location ID. Source system ID is the location ID. So while you are doing anything from HDL, you have to go with this particular ID. Is very much important. This location ID or department ID. So we cannot create you cannot create HDL file which are done with a manual enter, because getting the location ID would be different. Means you have to go back to the database and you have to write a query and get the IDs. But when you create from the HDL, we can get it here itself. Location ID is FPT underscore location underscore 0001. Okay, already we have loaded. We don't want to change it here again. Okay, we will copy that one and we will update in the positions. So location code is this one. After location code, I want to enter location. So what are the 3 important things you need to remember here? Job ID, department ID, and then location ID, along with the job code, department code, job code, and location code. Okay. So location code is after that. I have to enter this one and then select it.
Sir, here department code is not required.
Department code is not required. Just ID is enough. Even
Enough.
code is also not required. Just for understanding purpose only, we are giving this job code. So when you are giving job IDs, that would be more than enough.
Okay.
So because we don't know what is this name of this job ID, location ID, just I'm giving here. And IDs are really required because this is source system IDs, because this is dependent upon some other values.
Yes.
Here you have to give this source system ID.
Okay.
Okay. So how many source system IDs we are taking? Job ID, department ID, and location ID.
Grade ID is not required, sir.
Yeah, grade I'm not giving at this point of time. We will give that one after second load or something. Grade at this point of time is not. We will load the first one and then later we will include grade also. So here the position are updated. Position.dat.
Sir, stage table data we are not deleting. Is it okay? No issue.
It's not every time we don't need to delete, because if you go to that one, if it is of them 90% or 70%, we can delete that. You don't have to delete every time the stage table data.
Only import is succeed rate, sir. So that is
It's a 0% on it. I have deleted that particular record itself yet. I deleted that particular record.
so where actually this staging tables are good.
Staging tables.
Means suppose Staging table means like temporary tables, right?
Yes, temporary.
Or where it will be there in the
In
database.
system only.
Okay.
See, there are main tables, right? Means main database tables. So all these things where it will share as a service, everything will store in the complete Oracle database. Okay. So before loading that files into actual production tables, it's like a temporary data. So the temporary tables would be there. So that will be that data will be stored in the temporary stage tables. And if everything is fine, it will load. If import is done, it will store in this stage table data. And if proper data means if there are no errors, then it will store. When the load is successful, means it will store in our actual production database tables. It's like it's architecture. We cannot see where it will where are they. So it's a tables means it will store backend only, but we don't see from the software as a service model. We don't have that access. Yes, we can go through data model and through tables. We can see select start. We can select the tables using select statements and all. Okay. We will see that one select the reports. We will see that. Okay. For now, we are done with positions. So what is the error we got?
Location, right?
Location.
Business.
So I could have updated the location ID in the beginning itself and I could have given it, but I want to ensure at least one error should come and we have to resolve that. Okay. So when I have given a department ID and when I have given the job ID, I know I can give the same location ID and I could have completely passed in the beginning itself. But we should understand why the error came. Okay. You should understand why the error came and you have to sort it. Okay, now we have created a position. So what I have to do? What is the name of the position? What is the name of the position?
Administrative director.
Administrative director. Okay. So the name of the position is administrative director. Just go to here. Manage positions. Whether it's created or not. So it has created. Just we click on here. Go to administrative director. So it was tightly coupled with which business unit? US1 business unit. Okay, it was tightly coupled with US1 business unit, and it's full time or regular. Okay. Now, what is my criteria? So today we are done with all. We are done with all 5 workforce structures. We are done with all 5 workforce structures. So now today I'll hire an employee. I'll hire an employee with all these 5 workforce structures, which we have done from the HDL. Okay. So why I have created all these workforce structures? What is the need of creating all the workforce structures? What is the main purpose? The main purpose of creating workforce structure is to hire employees. Because HCM always revolves around employees only from hire to retire. So each and everything is important.
So, sir, I mean, like, since we are loading it from HDLs, right? So, I mean, we need not bypass this approvals
We
from
need to
this.
bypass any approvals. HDL is a back-end process. It won't care about approvals. Okay. We don't have to think about approach.
Okay.
So yes, one business unit. Okay. So here, when I select the position, what is the position we have created?
Director.
Administrative director.
Administrative director. So when I select the position, the job automatically came, right? Administrative director.
Yes.
Okay. We have not attached any grade for that, sir. So it didn't came. And the location or department is came or not?
So,
Okay, I'll go back again to the batch file, sorry, that file. So what we have attached in this DAT file for this position. So administrative director is the position, right? What we have attached, where we have attached this particular position in this business unit. Okay. I have checked, I have selected from this business unit, and I select this business unit. This position came into picture. I can able to search for this position. Okay. And this particular position is associated with which department?
Admin department.
Admin department. So is it came automatically?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Is this position associated with which location? Which location?
Yeah.
We
And
have given the location code and location ID. We have not given any name. But if you go back to the location.dat file, what is the name of the location?
North Okana, so center, medical center.
So it came automatically.
Yes.
So have I given any location name here? No. We have given the location code. So the location code and location ID. So what it will do, it will automatically go back and check in the particular DAT file which we have loaded. And what is the name of the location we took? Okay. Because we cannot directly associate location name in the position.dat file. Okay. You need to associate only the location ID, job ID. So here also you remember, have I given any job name here?
No.
Given any job name
Yes.
here? But how it associated this job name? It go backs to the job ID. And what is this job ID? CHS001. What is the name of the job? Administrative Director. So what is the actual name I have given in the position.dat file? Only the name of the position. Only the name of the position. Here name means what? Sorry, here name means what? See, for each and every DAT file, when it is name means only the name of the particular business object. We cannot give multiple names. Here name means what? Position name. Here name means what? Department name. Here name means what?
Location.
Location name. Already it was giving us location name. Job name. Here name means what? Job. So it will go back and associate with the particular IDs. It will go and search for the particular ID dynamically, and it will get the name of that, and it will represent in the front end as a name only. So job name is administrative director. Department name is admin department. Location is North Oklosa Medical Center. Assignment category full time regular. So this also automatically came because we have given what we have given, it is full time. We are creating the location itself. What we have given full time or bottom is full time regular. And working hours. How many working hours we have given? 40 working hours. And what is the frequency of the working hours? Frequency is weekly. Weekly means W. Okay. Frequency is weekly. And here the full-time equivalent is 1. So here we have given the full-time equivalent FTE is 1, right?
Yes.
Yes.
FTE is 1. Headcount is 1. Okay, headcount means here automatically all the values get populated, right? How we do manually. The same thing you have done with HDL DAT file, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now click on the next. This gives salary basis. So now we have understood what is the purpose of creating the workforce structures. All these work structures. What is the purpose of creating all the workforce structures?
Yes.
To hire
To hire an employees.
So apart from doing hiring an employee, is there any purpose for creating these structures? No. If you don't hire an employee, what is the point of creating the workforce structures? Suppose you have constructed a house or apartment. If nobody is living in the apartment, what is the point of constructing an apartment? Why will construct an apartment? People has to live in that, right?
Yes.
Same thing. So why we create the workforce structure is we have to hire an employee using the workforce structures. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So today we have seen going through individually. Okay. We have seen creating one by one. This is simple load. In the next class, we will see the complex load. Means all files we will create in one folder and we will zip the file and we will load at a time. Automatically one by one it will load. Okay. Okay, team. Thanks for your time and
Sir, a last recording session is there, so the jobs. So you have, I think you have to unlock the videos, sir, recording sessions.
just check it. I unlocked the video.
I'll just check it. Just now also, sir. I checked in the morning. So those are not.
So one request, yesterday's class, morning class.
Yeah,
Uh,
uploaded. Yes.
yeah. Okay.
Not feeling.
Okay. No
Will
problem.
be anyone new persons here today who has joined freshly? I want to ask whether they're able to understand the subject. So Vamsi, ready? Have you understood the subject?
Yes, sir. No doubts I have, but I checked the videos, previous class videos.
Okay.
Yes.
Ayushman, have you understood the concept?
Yes, sir.
Amani, have you understood the concept?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Akhtar, have you understood the subject? Akbar, have you understood the subject today? What you have discussed?
Yes, sir. Again, I need to go through the video once.
Okay.
Sir, can you share me that Zoho
So,
Excel sheet?
okay. Yes, that should see. I already shared that. What you have to do is just you have to download the file. So this zip file you can download it.
Okay.
This is so great. The .zip file I have not unlocked. Okay, this one also I have not unlocked. You can just download this one. It will allow you to download, but you cannot download these video files.
Yeah.
The zip files you can allow.
Organization also is logged.
Organization, there is tools, devices. Yeah.
Okay.
And there one more thing. Yesterday I shared one error with you.
Yeah, Ranade, actually I was not feeling well
Yeah,
because
okay.
even though I should not take the class,
Yeah.
want to miss this technical class because most of people will get affected. We will miss
Yes.
tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
So Ayushman, I'll share this Excel files also. Okay, I'll share the Excel files to the group. Okay, whatever you do it from the scratch. People should test the errors. You should test the errors, and you have to sort the errors. Don't get fear and don't run away from the errors. When you sort out the errors only, we will understand the subject. Okay. Everything is going to the green color and everything is loading means there is some problem. You have to think like that. Everything is loading means you are doing the copy paste from my files. That should not the objective of this class. So we have created a Nancy Google. So we are done with workforce structures. I hope I have told you in a very clear and understanding manner. And from the Monday's class, we will be little bit fast because almost how many classes I have got?
Okay, once.
Classes, yeah. Monday's class, what we have to do is we have to load workers. See, now we have created the worker manually, right? Nancy Howell, we have created manually. We can create the workers with their work assignments also with the help of HDL file. HDL is a vast subject, and to understand HDL itself, it will take 3-4 years. But to get the interview purpose, we don't want to go in depth. Just to learn workforce structures and then how to load employees with the help of HDL file and a little bit of payroll loading here and there. That would be more than enough. If you know the structure, if you know the process, That will be more than enough rather than by hearting each and every DAT file. Okay. But these are the most important thing. The most important thing is loading the workforce structures. If you can understand, if you can master the loading the workforce structures and loading these workers, you can do anything. Okay. See, just like in cricket, if you know how to handle different balls, maximum a bowler can bowl around 6 to 10 balls, different balls. If you can master how to handle these balls, whatever the ball he throw, you can handle that kind of ball. A similar thing, if you master the process of HDL, tomorrow if something new that came into picture, you can do that. Maybe it will take some time initially, but you can do that. Okay. Okay, team. Yeah. Any other questions? Except Pranaka, I'll call you back. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Any other
Sir,
questions from anyone?
in fourth class, like a creation of HDL file off only we did, sir. Means what is the mandate? Is how we will create.
I didn't understand, Naveen.
Sir, creation of HDL file.
Creation of HDL file.
Yes.
Okay, you are saying that how to create from the scratch.
Yeah, that off completed, sir. Not completed the topic.
Yeah, we will see that one. Okay.
Yes.
How to create HDL file from the scratch itself means you have to go through this document. So today I have shared this document, right?
Okay.
So you have to go through this document and you have to understand from the scratch. So what is how to load the job. So here we cannot do anything. So we have to follow what Oracle is saying. So you have to follow what Oracle is saying and how to load this on departments, jobs, locations, and job. Suppose if it's a location, we need to go and see what is the metadata. What is the metadata for the particular loading of the job? You need to go through and you need to understand. So this is the metadata for grade. So if you see here, metadata, grade, source system owner, source system ID, and effective start date. Okay. Here he is saying that to grade, delete. Same thing. So we have to follow this guidelines one. Okay.
Yeah. So what are the mandatory? Only mandatory fields if we write in the metadata, that's fine.
Yeah, mandatory fields is required. Means these are the fields, and we can add some other fields also. That is optional fields also, and you can load that. Okay, but you have to go through this document, and within the document, we can see that okay, these are the mandatory fields to load the particular job or job family or anything. In this, you will find a lot of values. Okay, here is an example for location. Can merge location. So there are a lot of values with the particular one. So you can go through this document. Okay. So here we have loaded organization, right? There's a department. These are the metadata, organization, source system owner, source system ID, effective start date, name, and classification order. Same thing. So here we need, even me also have to follow the same structure given by Oracle. I cannot create on my own. Okay. You have to go through these guidelines for loading all these things and you have to take the templates. Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, team.
Here my doubts are like here suppose location name is there. We are giving only name. In the front end we have location name. How it is mapping that is.
Yeah, that's what. See, if you go to here, here organization is a data, right? This is the metadata for organization or department. Okay. But what it is saying here, is it saying organization name or name?
Own name.
Name. We have to follow that one only. So Oracle will give you that template. You have to follow the template. We cannot use our own template.
So, sir, it will automatically take when we give that, like, even if we just enter the name.
Yeah.
So,
It will map automatically.
yeah, that's what, sir. So, if in location, if you just enter the name, it will take the what location they are providing when we give that location code and all.
Yes.
But we don't need to, in the metadata, it will be still remain same as a name.
See, he should go to here location. So what it is saying in the metadata? Is it saying name or location name?
Location or
Location.
Simple. See, you have to take the templates, the metadata, whatever Oracle is saying, you have to follow. You cannot give your own name or own structure. The metadata should be taken from the Oracle.
Okay.
Once you take the metadata from Oracle, you can give the normal, what is the instruction, merge data. You can follow the same thing. You can take an example or you can create with your own data. But the metadata has to be taken from Oracle.
so it will merge automatically when we give that information.
Yes.
Once the metadata
It will map those fields.
Yes.
Here Oracle is not saying name, it is saying location name.
Yeah.
So that's why even in our DAT files also, at the location it is a location name. But if you go to organization, it's just a name. When you go to position, it's just a name only. So everybody should follow the metadata given by Oracle. If you go to this document, then you can understand this one. Anyhow, I'll share another document also, the basic document. This is a heavy document. You go through this one, or anyway, I'll share another document also, the complete basic level of document I'll share. Okay.
But is this document being uploaded still in the response or?
Sorry.
I mean, is this document the PDF has been uploaded, sir?
Yeah, PDF I have shared it. This is the Oracle. You can go through and download this document. Like, or go search for Oracle HCM documentation. So go to here.
And also, all the classes are there, sir, because from first class, I could not attend, no, sir. So, I mean, is all the videos been uploaded for HCM? Sir?
Yeah, all the videos are uploaded. Yes. So this is another document. To search for the year, let us take location. So this is a location. So these are the instructions. Merge, delete, set, comment. So let us take, this is a job. What is for the job? What it is saying here?
Name.
Same job or name. It's saying name. So you have to follow the same thing. So this is a simple PDF file. Okay, just better first complete this PDF file because it's having only 240 pages. If we go here, it is having 1340. This is an advanced level. Just we will download this one. Let's go through this file. This is more than enough. For the interview purpose, this is more than enough.
Okay.
Okay, I'll share this one.